Let's move on for the moment to some positive news. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected lives and livelihoods. Daily wage laborers and migrant workers have taken a huge hit. Medical and emergency staff too have been working around the clock for days together. A good meal is the least that society can organize for them. That's exactly what is happening with NGOs driven by young people coming up with innovative solutions to ensure that no one in Maximum City sleeps hungry.
Arun Gowli, a community volunteer with the NGO Yuva, out on the streets every day to ensure Mumbai doesn't sleep hungry, going to far-flung parts of the city with cooked meals and rations. His mission? To cover the 11 villages in and around the Sanjay Gandhi National Park in Borivali.
200 कुटुंबांपर्यंत आपण मदतीचा हात त्यांना देत आहोत. या ठिकाणी त्यांचा जो रोजगार बंद आहे, या ठिकाणी मायग्रेंट लोक आहेत, कडिया काम करणारे, नाका काम करणारे, वेगवेगळ्या रोटी करणारी लोक आहेत.
For migrant workers, access to proper food has been a major concern. So this kitchen has been providing cooked meals for police personnel, healthcare providers and migrant laborers. Over 9,000 meals on a daily basis in Mumbai and Navi Mumbai for police personnel and government hospital staff have been provided. And since 28th March, over 1 lakh meals have been sent out.
No one deserves to sleep hungry. This wouldn't have been possible. We got such phenomenal support from all the contributors and the donors. And from there on, from the police, the BMC, the local authorities, from the highest to the lowest level, they worked backwards and helped us take this ahead, along with other NGOs who are also there on the field reaching out to everyone.
11,000 meals are being provided daily for stranded migrant laborers in far-flung areas like Kharghar and Bhivandi on the outskirts of Mumbai. This daily wage laborer tells us how the food has been a lifesaver for him. He tried to go home, but now he's stuck here midway. He used to stay next to a drain, so he moved to the outskirts of the city in Navi Mumbai.
मानपुर से फिर वासी से फिर सानपारा से फिर इधर आके मानसरोवर से फिर इधर आए पाए.
In the past month, Yuva has significantly scaled up relief efforts in the Mumbai metropolitan region.
With the lockdown being extended, the plan is now to distribute 5,000 monthly supply kits to vulnerable families in May, apart from the 5,000 in April. Along with that, over 9,000 daily cooked meals for police personnel and government hospital staff. The number of daily cooked meals for migrant laborers will increase from 11,000 to 16,000.
It's our frontline teams who have been daily in the field supporting the people who need it the most. The big ask is what is a long-term solution? How do we really look at rehabilitation that is comprehensive?
A comprehensive solution can only come from the government, but till then these NGOs are filling in the gap. Not just Yuva but also Khanachahiye.com, a citizen initiative to fight hunger in Mumbai. Khanachahiye.com crowdsources a hunger map and marries it with food supply through activating dormant restaurant kitchens.
It's evolved into a citizen movement where there's an attempt to crowdsource a hunger map of Bombay and meet it through supply through a network of restaurants led by industry stalwarts like Niti Goyal, Pranav Rota. We've been backed by more than 1,200 crowdfunders, and that has enabled us to serve more than 15 lakh meals till date, and the daily rate being around 70,000 per day.
The end result? Mumbai won't go hungry. In Mumbai, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.